New Year resolution is a pledge or a promise that we make to ourselves every year. New Year resolutions are taken by most people on the first day of the year. These resolutions can be anything from achieving a career success, a fitness goal, learning a skill, or practicing a new habit. Resolutions are personal goals that we set at the start of each year. But why do we make them? Well, for many, the new calendar year gives a sense of renewal and a new hope. It's the time to take stock of who we are and the way we live and resolve to improve ourselves. Though the year 2020 has been a very tough year for most people worldwide, now the new year 2021 is the time for a fresh beginning with a New Year's resolution. Here is a list of Super 6 New Year's resolution areas from where you can choose to achieve a particular goal. Before we see the Super 6 resolution ideas, let's understand another important thing. When setting New Year's resolutions, remember to make each one a SMART resolution. SMART stands for S for specific. There should be no room for misinterpretation and should be accurate. M for measurable. To help you plan how to track the results of your resolution in a quantifiable manner. A for achievable. Set realistic New Year's resolutions so that you feel you can achieve it. R for relevant. Ensure your New Year's resolution aligns with who you want to do and what you want to be. T for time bound. Set deadlines for each part of the process needed to achieve your New Year resolution. For example, instead of saying, I want to be fitter, set a SMART goal like, this new year, I will become a marathon runner. Specific. I will go running 3 times each week. Achievable. And I will use a fitness app to track my progress. Measurable. I'm going to run my city's half marathon in June. Time bound. I'm committed to this New Year's goal because I want to feel fit, healthy, and strong. Relevant. Unless you make each of your resolutions SMART like this, you could be the one who will make the New Year resolutions remain in your notebook. So, make it really SMART. Now, let's move on to the Super 6 resolution areas, which shall give you plenty of ideas to pick from. Number 1. Health. The first and important resolutions area will be your health. Let's see some of the resolutions related to your health. First idea. Start exercising every day. Yes, doing exercises every day is a great way to strengthen your body. Could be jogging, running, swimming, indoor ground exercises, or gym workout for a 30 minutes to 60 minutes a day. Second idea. Start a meditation practice. Many scientific studies show that there are many benefits of meditating. Meditating helps to improve your mood, it reduces stress, it lessens anxiety, and it even increases your brain's gray matter, which is involved in muscle control, sensory perception, decision making, and self control. In addition, once you get the hang of it, meditating is easy to do. Third idea. Play more. Playing is an important source of relaxation and stimulation for adults. In addition, it can make you more creative and productive. Bring more play into your life by making it a New Year's resolution. Fourth idea. Move more, sit less. Between desk jobs, long commutes, and stay-at-home orders, we are all guilty of sitting too much. And it turns out that sitting is the new smoking. Yes. it's terrible for your health. So, make it a goal to start taking daily walks, going for bike rides, or even running. Just something to get you up and moving a little more often. Fifth idea: eat fewer calories. There are many reasons why most of us should set a resolution of eating fewer calories. The most obvious reason is to lose weight. After all, carrying excess weight puts us at a greater risk of a whole range of serious health problems, including heart disease, diabetes, and some cancers. Sixth idea: drink enough water. This may be one of the most common New Year's resolution ideas. But that doesn't make it a bad one. We could all use a little more water in our daily lives. You can keep track of your water intake with an app, journal, or a marked water bottle. Number 2. Happiness. First idea: enjoy the little things. Living life to the fullest doesn't just mean setting big goals, like going bungee jumping or learning to scuba dive. It also includes learning to enjoy the very little things. That is, learning to appreciate life's simple pleasures like going outside at night to look at the stars, spending time with kids, walking barefoot in the grass, chatting with grandparents. Second idea: be more grateful. If you haven't climbed aboard the gratitude bandwagon yet, this is the year to do it. There are studies that show that gratitude can make you more happier. Think about that for a second. You can be more happier than now simply by taking the time to count your blessings and think of all the good things in your life. Third idea: live simply, consume less. You don't have to go whole hog with a minimalist lifestyle, but try being a little more conscious of your spending decisions. You'll end up saving money and decreasing junk clutter in your life. Win-win. Number 3. Finance. First idea: maintain an emergency fund. The COVID pandemic has made many lose their jobs and businesses shut shop. Most of us dip into our savings and investments to run the household. That's where the importance of emergency corpus comes in. This kitty should be held in liquid instruments such as fixed deposits or savings deposits, which can be used only in the case of contingencies arising from job loss or pay cut. Your emergency corpus should be enough to meet your monthly food and other expenses, including children's school fees, EMIs, and so on. It should be large enough to take care of at least 6 months' household expenses. However, if your source of income is irregular, or you are the sole earning member in your family, it makes sense to create a larger corpus worth 9 months' expenses. As far as possible, avoid taking personal loans to meet routine expenses. Second idea: buy sufficient health and life insurance. The uncertainty caused due to COVID pandemic reminded us the importance of having a health insurance cover. The demand for health and life insurance has increased significantly in these COVID-19 times. If you are in the age group of 35 to 40, you must ensure that you buy a health cover of at least rupees 10 lakh for your family to start with. Review your cover every 5 years and increase the amount in line with healthcare inflation. While buying term life insurance, a simple cover that pays out the sum assured to the dependents in case of the policyholder's death. Calculate your assets and liabilities to know how much term cover you need to buy. The sum assured should be capable of replacing your income and paying off your loans to ensure that your family's goals remain on track in your absence. Third idea. Start saving every month. Make monthly saving a practice. Even a small saving, regularly every month, will help you a lot. Number 4. Career. First idea. Learn something new every day. Set the resolution to learn something new every day in order to have a better understanding of the world and how it works. Fortunately, the internet made it incredibly easy to learn new things. Second idea. Read more books. Reading books is not only a self-development activity, it also has a myriad of mental and physical health benefits, ranging from a longer life to high emotional intelligence to an increased ability to empathize. Actually, sitting down and reading a book forces our brains to work in a different way, producing many of the attributes and outcomes mentioned above. So, set a goal for yourself. Commit to reading minimum one book per month. Or, if you are a more avid reader, try to read one book a week. Third idea. Learn a new skill. What have you always wanted to learn? Do you want to learn to play an instrument, code, knit, whittle? The possibilities are endless. Take advantage of all the information that exists out there on internet on how to learn new skills quickly and reach the end of 2021 with a couple of new skills. Number 5. Personal. Next idea. Pick up a hobby. Did you know that having a hobby is good for you? Hobbies can lower your stress levels, boost your brain power, improve your ability to focus, and more. Therefore, in 2021, start a new hobby. Second idea. Stop procrastinating. If you didn't achieve your goals this year, procrastination was the likely culprit. Make 2021 the year you stop procrastinating and start getting things done. This will help you to ensure that you won't be sitting there at the end of next year wondering why you never got around to working on your goals. Third idea. Set aside 1 hour a day to achieve your dreams. Stop telling yourself that you simply don't have the time to work on your dreams. Whatever your dreams are, whether it's to make more money so you can redecorate your home, learn to play an instrument, have a positive impact on the world, and so on. You can accomplish those dreams in just 1 hour a day. Fourth idea. Strengthen your personal relationship. Don't make all of your resolutions career or fitness oriented. Include that special someone in your life in your resolutions. Keep in touch with your schoolmates, college mates, teachers, friends, relatives, partners, clients, and neighbors. Your personal relationship will become your core strength. Fifth idea. Keep a journal. Journaling is a powerful life tool. It can help you to organize your thoughts, plan how to achieve your goals, and get in touch with your true feelings and wants. Number 6. Social. First idea. Volunteer. Set the resolution to do good for others in the upcoming year. After all, you won't just be benefiting those you'll also be benefiting yourself. Volunteering can give you a sense of purpose, make your life more meaningful, increase your self-esteem, and make you happier. In 2020, get a helper's high by volunteering. Second idea. Prioritize eco-friendly choices. Making a positive impact in the world might feel futile as an average person. Little decisions add up as a whole, though. Plant a tree. Make a home garden. Use eco-friendly products only. Third idea. Teach someone. Teach someone something that you are good at. Could be a little kid from the next house, a student from rural village, an elderly person from your street. Okay. Finally, New Year's resolutions year 2021 are all about renewal, new hope, and the development of our best selves. Although the most common New Year's resolutions typically revolve around health, well being, and finances, there is no rule against creating unique New Year's resolutions to suit you. Remember, when setting New Year's resolutions, set smart goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Also, don't spread yourself too thin. Instead, focus on one or two New Year's goals that mean the most to you. To stick to your New Year's goals, focus on the process needed to make them happen and let the results take care of themselves. Finally, seek out connections and support from your friends, family, and colleagues who have set the same New Year's resolution. Happy New Year and have a great year ahead. Thanks for watching. This video is brought to you by Super 6. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and